Hello students, I am sure you all are doing well and making use of your time indoors. Our main focus in this session would be the properties, taste and uses of ammonia. Physical properties. Color, it is colorless. Odor, it has strong pungent smell. Taste, it is slightly alkaline. Physiological nature, it is non-poisonous but if inhaled affects the respiratory system. Density, it is lighter than air. Solubility, it is highly soluble in water. Liquefaction, easily liquefied at low temperatures. Boiling point, liquid ammonia boils at -33 degrees Celsius. Freezing point, solid NH3 that is ammonia melts at -77.7 degrees Celsius. To demonstrate the high solubility of ammonia gas in water, it is fountain experiment. Ammonia is highly soluble in water. 1 liter of water dissolves 702 liter of ammonia at room temperature. Students observe the arrangement of apparatus carefully. Dry ammonia is filled in an inverted round bottom flask, which is closed with an airtight cork. A jet tube and a dropper filled with water is connected as shown. The open end of the tube is dipped in red litmus solution. When dropper is squeezed, water enters the flask and ammonia gas dissolves in water. Hence, the pressure inside the flask decreases. Atmospheric pressure forces the red solution to enter the flask. It is ejected as a blue fountain. Why red litmus solution turns blue? Because ammonium hydroxide, that is the solution of ammonia and water, is basic in nature, which turns red litmus solution blue. What will happen if dry HCl gas is used in the flask instead of ammonia and the blue litmus solution kept in the trough? Yes, we will see red fountain because acid turns blue litmus solution red. Chemical properties. Combustibility. Ammonia gas is neither combustible nor a supporter of combustion, but in the presence of oxygen, it burns with greenish yellow flame, producing nitrogen and water vapor. Reaction involved 4NH3 plus 3O2 that gives 2N2 plus 6H2O. Catalytic oxidation of ammonia. Ammonia burns in an atmosphere of oxygen and undergoes catalytic oxidation, producing nitric oxide and water vapor in presence of a catalyst platinum at 800 degrees Celsius. Reaction involved 4NH3 plus 5O2 that gives 4NO plus 6H2O plus heat. The colorless nitric oxide formed on oxidation gives reddish brown nitrogen dioxide. The platinum catalyst continues to glow even after the heating is discontinued, since the catalytic oxidation of ammonia is an exothermic reaction. Ammonia gas basic nature. Due to the absence of ions, dry or liquid ammonia has no effect on litmus. Ammonia is a very weak base. The basicity due to the presence of lone pair of electrons on the nitrogen atom in ammonia. Lone pair means a pair of valence electrons that are not shared with another atom in covalent bond. Lone pairs are found in the outermost electron shell of atoms. Atomic number of nitrogen is 7, electronic configuration 2, 5. Number of valence electrons are 5. Out of 5, 3 electrons are used by the hydrogen for covalent bond. The remaining 2 electrons, that is a pair of electron, is called a lone pair. Liquor ammonia. An aqueous solution of ammonia in water is called liquor ammonia. Preparation of liquor ammonia by dissolving ammonia gas in water using a funnel arrangement. Funnel arrangement we will discuss in the preparation of hydrochloric acid from hydrogen chloride gas. Basic nature of ammonia. The aqueous solution of ammonia, that is ammonium hydroxide, is alkaline and acts as a weak base. Since it undergoes partial dissociation in aqueous solution to give hydroxyl ion OH1- in low concentration, the alkaline behavior of ammonium hydroxide is due to presence of the hydroxyl ion, NH3 plus H2O, that gives NH4OH. On dissociation, ammonium hydroxide gives NH4 plus OH minus, that is ammonium ion plus hydroxyl ion. Aqueous solution of ammonia turns red litmus blue and phenolphthalein solution pink. Preparation of ammonium salt. Ammonia in the gaseous form or in aqueous solution neutralizes acid, forming the respective ammonium salts. Ammonia, being a weak base, accepts proton, that is hydrogen ion, to form ammonium ion. It therefore reacts with acid to form ammonium salts. Observe the method 1. When ammonia reacts with hydrochloric acid, it gives ammonium chloride. When it reacts with nitric acid, it gives ammonium nitrate. And when ammonia reacts with sulfuric acid, it gives ammonium sulfate. Method 2, that is neutralization reaction, resulting in the formation of ammonium salt and water. When ammonium hydroxide reacts with hydrochloric acid, it gives ammonium chloride plus water. Ammonium hydroxide, when reacts with nitric acid, it gives ammonium nitrate plus water, and when it reacts with sulfuric acid, it gives ammonium sulfate plus water. Ammonia gas reducing action. Ammonia gas is a strong reducing agent and reduces metallic oxides and chlorine. Ammonia reduces heated metallic oxides to metal. Observe the diagram carefully. Ammonia reduces copper oxides to copper and lead oxides to lead. Dry ammonia gas is passed over heated copper oxide placed in a combustion tube. Ammonia reduces black copper oxide to brown metallic copper. Water is collected in the U-tube and nitrogen gas is collected in a glass jar by the downward displacement of water. Let me explain you reducing agent. Here, reducing agent is a substance that causes another substance to reduce. In the first equation, ammonia reduces metallic oxide, that is copper oxide, to copper. Reduction means a removal of oxygen or addition of hydrogen. Here, it removes oxygen from copper oxide to give reduced product, that is copper metal, and lead oxide to lead metal. Ammonia reduces chlorine to hydrogen chloride. When ammonia and chlorine are mixed, the chlorine is reduced to hydrogen chloride. Here, reduction means addition of hydrogen. Study the following reactions. When ammonia in excess, in first step, chlorine reduces to hydrogen chloride, which further combines with excess ammonia, forming NH4Cl. Final equation is 8NH3 ammonia in excess plus 3Cl2, that gives 6NH4Cl plus N2. Dense white fumes are seen when ammonia reacts with HCl and also when it reacts with Cl2. Now, chlorine in excess. When ammonia reacts with chlorine in excess, it gives 3HCl plus NCl3, nitrogen trichloride. Colorless ammonia gas reacts with greenish yellow excess chlorine, giving a yellow explosive liquid, that is NCl3, nitrogen trichloride. Test. Action on indicator. Solution of ammonia, being alkaline, that is basic in nature, turns red litmus solution blue, methyl orange orange to yellow, and phenolphthalein solution colorless to pink. Second, action of concentrated HCl. A glass rod dipped in concentrated HCl brought near ammonia gas gives dense white fumes of ammonium chloride. Next, action of copper sulfate solution. On addition of ammonium hydroxide to copper sulfate solution, it gives pale blue precipitate of copper hydroxide. The pale blue precipitate turns into a deep blue colored solution on addition of excess ammonium hydroxide due to the formation of tetraamine copper 2 sulfate, that is CuNH3 4 times SO4. Nestle's reagent. When ammonia or any ammonium compound is added to a colorless Nestle's reagent, that is alkaline potassium mercuric iodide, a brown PPT is observed. This confirms the presence of ammonium radical. Uses of ammonia. Ammonia is used for the manufacture of fertilizers, nitric acid, nitrogen, sodium carbonate, and other ammonium compounds. Ammonia is also used as a refrigerant in ice plants and acts as a cleansing agent. Number 1. Fertilizers. Ammonia is used in the manufacture of fertilizers like ammonium nitrate, ammonium sulfate, ammonium phosphate, and urea. Second, liquor ammonia. Aqueous solution of ammonia gas in water is used as a cleansing agent because it dissolves fats, grease, hence used for removing oil and grease stains from clothes. It is also used for cleansing window panes, porcelain articles, etc. Third, liquid ammonia. Ammonia gas liquefied at low temperature is used as a refrigerant in ice plants since it is highly volatile and has high latent heat of evaporation. It easily liquefies under pressure at low temperature. Nitric acid. Ammonia is largely used in the manufacture of nitric acid by Ostwald's process. But the most important work of this session, that is homework. Answer these questions in your classwork notebook. Name the gas produced when excess ammonia reacts with chlorine. Next, give a balanced equation for the following reactions. First, ammonia and oxygen in presence of a catalyst. Reduction of hot copper to oxide to copper using ammonia gas. Next, reaction of ammonia with excess chlorine. State the common property demonstrated by fountain experiment. Name the ion other than ammonium ion formed when ammonia dissolves in water. Name the gas that burns in oxygen with a green flame. With this, we will end this session. Catch up with you soon with another important topic. Take care. Thank you.